Every successful marketing video sets out to do one very specific thing: invoke an emotion that drives real business value and brand awareness. To figure out if a video actually hit that mark, creators have to look past the view counts and dig into the comment section. That is where the audience leaves their direct, unfiltered feedback. Reading those comments provides the exact emotional temperature of the viewership. It takes audience feedback out of the realm of vanity metrics and turns it into a necessary mechanism for strategic growth. But in India, understanding that feedback means decoding Hinglish. You have the emotional nuance of Hindi and the corporate vocabulary of English. They violently crash together to form a distinct digital language. Parsing it is a logistical nightmare. Hinglish doesn't have a standard dictionary. There are no formal grammatical rules, and there are no standard stop words to filler the filler. For a creator with a growing channel, this means drowning in thousands of unstructured, heavily localized comments. A human being simply cannot read and manually extract actionable insights from that volume of text. Without a system to parse this chaotic hybrid language at scale, creators are flying blind. They have the data right in front of them, but no way to decipher what their audience actually wants or needs. To fix this, data scientists first have to build custom pre-processing tools specifically designed to handle the structural quirks of Hinglish. This diagram illustrates exactly how that cleaning process works. The system takes the raw, chaotic text strings and strips away the numbers and punctuation. It applies custom-built Hinglish stop-word lists, filtering out the noise until only the essential linguistic signals remain. By scrubbing the inputs this way, the data is transformed. It goes from a messy, unpredictable human format into a highly structured baseline that a machine can actually read. Next, an unsupervised clustering algorithm called DBSCAN is released into a massive field of scattered data points. Operating on mathematical density, the algorithm pulls them together into 7 distinct clusters. Data scientists then manually label these groups into emotional categories like gratitude and suggestions. By combining the raw sorting power of an algorithm with human categorization, this semi-supervised approach produces an organized overview of the specific feedback types present in the noise. Now that the data is labeled, it is fed into a predictive model. Using logistic regression, the system learns the exact parameters of those 7 categories. Once trained, the model can look at brand new, entirely unseen Hinglish comments and automatically categorize them with an accuracy rate of roughly 75%. This accuracy transforms Hinglish from an unreadable wall of text into a manageable stream of categorized data. It removes the need for manual review without losing the sentiment behind the words. For a YouTube creator, this trained model moves from the computer science lab into a functional production environment via a simple REST API. This diagram illustrates that exact integration. A continuous stream of thousands of incoming comments hits a central node and is instantly categorized into one of the 7 distinct emotional buckets in real time. This gives creators immediate operational feedback. If the About video bucket fills up with negative sentiment, they know right away that they need to fix technical issues like lighting or audio quality in their next shoot. Conversely, if the Suggestions and Queries bucket spikes, the system outputs exactly what the audience is asking for. The creator now has a machine-generated blueprint for their next piece of content. Categorizing the feedback this way replaces the burden of manual review with a live, strategic dashboard. Creators no longer have to guess what their audience wants by squinting at view duration or subscriber ratios. Integrating machine learning to parse feedback is a practical, highly accessible tool for modern performance marketing. It provides the ability to understand the specific, nuanced emotional realities of a local audience without letting heavy linguistic barriers get in the way. By pairing cultural intuition with algorithmic sorting, creators can stop guessing at their strategy and start executing a precise, data-driven content pipeline.